Now let's try to create these things and see how it looks like. Okay, at first let's take a look at it. You see the S is pretty amazing, and more than that there is nothing special about this slide. So let's try to create that. For creating the S, we need two things. At first we need a rectangle here. Hold shift when you are creating that, and after that you need to insert a text box in the exact size and put the S in that and select that and change the font to Overdrive Sunset, and then increase the size and go here, align it center middle, and select this thing, align it center and middle. Now it's up to you if you want to increase it in size or not. Let's go with a little increment. Then press Ctrl A, go to shape format and combine them. Your shape is ready, as pretty as possible. Okay, now create a copy of that and paste it here. Now you need this text. Paste the text here. Okay, we have a little problem that we are going to fix, that you can see the shape is not visible very good. So we create a rectangle here and a copy of that here. Then select both of them, set the shape outline to no outline, and then format the object. And for the fill, we choose a slide background. Now select these two shape. Why the hell I can't? Oh, what is that? Oh, sorry, I'm in the wrong slide. I'm totally sorry. But the thing we are going to do is the same. Nothing is going to change. We send it to back and select these two and bring them to front. From here, bring them to front. Now you just simply need to copy the text, paste it here, then copy this slide. In the copy, bring the text to the top and select these two and these two and set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. It's look amazing. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.